is our apartment where Mark and I have lived together for 3 months now. Hopefully we'll find some cool stuff.
We'll cut out the rest, the ugly bits, the garbage, the trash.
So this is actually one of my favorite pieces. It's an old baggage trolley cart. It was originally used at a train station and would have had big poles here and would have been loaded up with old steam trunks and things.
These are sculptures I had made for a show that I'm working on developing, and we eventually made these into puppets. They come in very handy when you have an actual 3D model that you can work from when you're building puppets.
I love to cook and I love to read. That equals a lot of cookbooks. This one is, I think, my favorite. It's my mom's old Mastering the Art of French Cooking, the classic Julia Child book, and it's first edition. I really love that I can see all the recipes that my mom cooked the most because they have the splashes and her little notes.
This is a straight razor. It's German and from the 1890s, and one day I hope to use it.
This is a lighting fixture that a friend of ours made from an old piece of industrial fishing equipment and a pulley system that he found. We can wrap the rope around to raise and lower it. But the coolest thing is actually right here around my neck.
Betsy's a writer and I wanted to get her something that would hopefully mean something to her. And so I found this online. It's the world's smallest dictionary. It comes inside an old Victorian locket, which was made and published in the 1890s.
It's a complete dictionary and its print is so tiny that you have to read it with the magnifying glass that's on the front. Just awesome because it's the entire English language in the palm of your hand, and words just mean so much to me, so that's why it's the coolest thing in our house.
And I agree, because I got it for her. So, right? Betsy's a writer, so I wanted to get something that wasn't a giant diamond. No, I'm just kidding.